So the Ipieca peer-to-peer best working group training is actually an opportunity for Ipieca best working group members to exchange experience and best practices and learn from each other, as well as experts from UNEP, WCMC, for example, on biodiversity and ecosystem services, how the industry manages our impact on biodiversity, and also to learn from each other and expand our knowledge to include the latest best practices coming up from academia, from various organizations, as well as from the industry as well. So it's a great opportunity for best practitioners to get together, learn from each other, as well as maybe have a bit of fun on the side. We had the opportunity to host the peer-to-peer training in September of 2022, and our staff benefited greatly, as well as our members, because we were able to open the sessions to PETRONAS colleagues as well. And we also had on the final day a tree planting program at one of our peat swamp areas. Peat swamp are very important for flood mitigation, climate control, and biodiversity. So the members actually helped to plant trees in all of the peat swamp sites that have been affected by human development and also by fire. So it was a great opportunity for PETRONAS to host, benefited our colleagues as well as the best working group members as well. And we had participation from as far away as Angola, for example.